Welcome back to Tansy Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at Chapter 7, Lesson 31, JSON Select. So what is JSON? See, JSON, we know rows and columns. We have been looking for all chapters 5, 6, 7. And now JSON, we have also touched base JSON in Chapter 5. We have seen how data is stored in JSON file. Data in the JSON is stored as key value pairs, or you can call as multiple data points, or you can say I am storing multiple columns, but you are not supposed to talk in terms of multiple columns, but for clear understanding, right? So JSON stores data for multiple columns. Okay, so now the thing is, let's say I have this is called as a key value pair. Let's say a JSON column, I have single column, but within that JSON column I am storing, let's say, 10 key value pairs for a given customer. So how I can select a given pair? If I select that column from the customers table, it will give all the key value pairs stored in the particular JSON object, but I am interested in a particular key value pair. So this is a video where we are going to look at how to actually dissect the JSON. JSON is a lightweight data interchange format that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. This is what JSON object notation. In short, you call it JSON, but it's JavaScript object notation. SQL databases such as Mysql, Postgresql, SQL Server, and Oracle support JSON data types for sorting and querying structured data. JSON is used to store structured data in a single column, making it useful for hierarchical or unstructured data that doesn't fit well in traditional tabular formats. And other use cases like you use JSON when you exchange data between different applications. So this is the select syntax for different platforms. Okay, so you say you use a keyword called JSON extract in MySQL, and then you mention the JSON column name and what is the key that you are trying to extract as a part of your select statement. In Postgres, you have to use greater than symbol with the dash before, and then you can also use something like greater than double greater than symbol for text strings and for JSON object. Okay, so we'll see example on this. In Oracle, again, just like MySQL, you have a keyword called JSON value. You have to pass in the JSON column name and which key are you interested in. In MS SQL Server, again, it is same. So this Oracle and MS SQL syntax are the same. So let's look an example here. See, I have a table where I am storing JSON information in a column called customer info. This is a customer ID, first name, last name, but a given customer's education and designation I am not storing in a column called education designation. I am storing them all together in a single column, a single JSON. So here education is a key, masters the value, this is the value. Designation is a key, health officer is a value. So I am storing multiple key value pairs within a JSON object here. Let's say I am interested to fetch customer ID, first name, last name, and their education. But if I say customer info, the entire JSON object is selected, but I am interested only in their education. Okay, so when it comes to MySQL, you can use JSON extract. You specify the column name where the JSON is stored, and then you mention the key that you are interested in. I am not interested to see the designation, I am interested to see their education. So you mention the key name like this, and then you will get a result set like this. And the same query, this is how it's written in Postgres. Okay, so here you say customer info. This is a column. From this column, grab the value for this particular key. Okay, and then in Oracle and MS SQL, you use a keyword JSON value. So you pass the column name and you pass the key name. You will get an output like this. And let's see. Now here I am selecting everyone. But what if I want to select customers whose designation is software engineer? So I need to filter on this column. So now we have seen how to select JSON key values in the select. Now I want to filter on this. So let's see an example how you can filter. So this same thing goes in a where condition. In MySQL JSON unquote, you have to use JSON extract, and then same thing, you are trying to extract this value and comparing it with the software engineering. Unquote is like, because you have seen here you get double quotes, so that will be removed and compared to the string here. So if you are doing it with Postgres, again the same thing here, you have to use this double arrows, and designation is a key. So get me all the customers where the key, the value for this key is software engineer. And this is how you use JSON value in the where condition in Oracle and MS SQL Server. So I will get only 2 customers because this customer's designation is software engineer. This customer 12 won't be picked up because his designation is health officer. So this is how you use JSON in your selects and where conditions. Thanks a lot.